Bonjour à tous, welcome to Learn French with Stéphanie. Today we're going to talk about the various ways to say thank you in French. Allons-y! Let's start with the basic expressions. The first expression is simple. Merci. If you want to show more gratitude, you can say merci beaucoup. And for a more casual way, you can say merci bien. Sometimes you want to thank someone for something specific, and you can say merci pour or merci de. So, for example, merci pour ton aide. Merci pour le cadeau. Merci d'être venu. Merci de m'avoir informé. You could answer de rien. But I think the prettiest way to answer is avec plaisir. It's the same as de rien, but on top of that, you show that you're happy. Okay? Now let's explore expressions with a bit more emphasis. Merci mille fois is a way to express great gratitude. If you want to express your gratitude in a spectacular way, you can say merci infiniment or un grand merci. Be careful, don't say un gros merci. Non, 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 non. It's un grand merci. Okay? For more formal situations, here are some appropriate expressions. Je vous remercie is a polite way to say thank you. C'est gentil de votre part is an elegant way to show your appreciation. C'est très aimable à vous also shows gratitude by being polite. Now let's look at two very important French expressions with the word merci. The first expression is merci quand même. In fact, the person can give you the help you need. An example, we have here two friends, Marie and Pierre. Marie says to Pierre, peux-tu me conduire au travail? Pierre answers, non, je ne peux pas. J'ai un rendez-vous. Marie says, c'est pas grave. Merci quand même. Another important expression with the word merci is non merci. We use it when someone wants to help us or do something for us or offer us something, but we don't want help or offer. So instead of saying I don't want your help or your offer, je ne veux pas de ton aide ou de ta proposition, which might sound a little rude, you can say non merci. Non merci is polite, but in some situation it can be interpreted as rejection. So instead of non merci, you can say c'est gentil to show that you appreciate the offer. And then you explain why you refuse. This is the most polite way to decline an offer. For example, Marie says to Pierre, veux-tu que je t'aide? Pierre answers, c'est gentil, mais je préfère me débrouiller seul. Marie says, veux-tu un peu plus de gâteau? Pierre answers, c'est gentil, mais je n'ai vraiment plus faim. Marie says, Veux-tu boire quelque chose? Pierre says, c'est gentil, mais je n'ai vraiment pas le temps. J'ai un rendez-vous. So there you have it. Now you know various ways to say thank you in French. Don't forget to choose the expression that suits the situation best. Merci à tous, au revoir et à bientôt. The next step is to download my free label test and my free ebook, 5 Steps to Becoming a Confident French Speaker. You learn what you need to do to speak confidently and fluently. Thanks so much. Bye. Au revoir.